Good morning to all of you. Today we continue the yesterday's part 3D geometry. This is DS continuation. Today we take the part 3. Already long answer questions, 4 questions over. Now continue that part. We take the problem. Find the angle between the two lines. Find the angle between two lines which are connected by the relations L plus M plus N is equal to 0, 2Mn plus 3NL minus 5LM is equal to 0. From equation 1, we take any one. These are the two given equations. This implies L is equal to minus of M plus 1. Therefore, from 2Mn minus 3N, because in place of L minus of, so 3N minus 3N into M plus N plus 5M into M plus N is equal to 0. Implies 2Mn minus 3Mn minus 3N square multiply all plus 5M square plus 5Mn is equal to 0. Now write one order. This implies 5M square 7 minus 3 4Mn minus 3N square is equal to 0. Now, for this no factors anamata. No factors. Please observe here, no factors. That's why dividing with n square. So m by n, 5 into m by n whole square, 4 into m by n minus 3, 0. We take this is 3. We don't have factors level. Factors level. Minus b plus r minus prakaram తీసుకో the problems లో. So ఒకసారి చూడండి. This is a 3 is quadratic equation in m by n. Let m1 by n1, m2 అదే ఫార్ములాలో are roots of 3. We know product of roots m1 by n1 into m2 by n2. See, observe here. Ax square plus bx plus c 0. Alpha, beta roots. You know this formula. Sum of the roots minus b by a. Product of the roots c by a. Remember this formula. So, product of the roots c by a. This implies m1, m2 by minus 3 is equal to n1, n2 by 5. This is A. Similarly, same this model, we take another value that also substitute, write this. Also, from 1, we take, now m is equal to minus of L plus, ఇది ఎలా చేసాం అలాగే, from 2 to minus 2n into this one, L plus n plus 3nl plus 5l into minus, already minus or minus plus L plus n 0. This implies minus 2ln minus 2n square plus 3ln plus 5l square plus 5ln 0. This sample write in order. 5l square, 5 plus 3, 8 minus 2. 5 plus 3, 8 minus 2 plus 6ln minus 2n square is equal to 0. Now, here also dividing with n square, that implies 5 L by n whole square plus 6 L by n minus 2, 0. L1 by L2, L1 by N1, L2 by N2 are roots of this equation. So, product of roots L1 by N1 into L2 by N2, C by A, same that model. This implies L1 L2 by minus 2 is equal to N1 N2 by 5. This is B. Here A. In A also N1 by 5. Here also N1 N2 by 5. Therefore, from A and B, we write both L1 L2 by minus 2, M1 M2 by minus 3 is equal to N1 N2 by 5. We take this is K, say. What about L1 L2 cross multiplication? Minus 2K. What about M1 M2 minus 3K? What about N1 N2 5K? Now L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 is equal to minus 2K minus 3K plus 5K 0 implies here L1 N1 N1 L1 M2 N2. Otherwise you write let L1 M1 N1 L2 M2 N2 are direction, either right direction cosines are raised, no problem. Direction cosines of the two lines. Right one, no problem. From this implies sum of the product 0 implies two lines are perpendicular. Perpendicular means angle 90 degrees. The angle between the two lines is 90 degrees. Only this problem we take two types, this one. Because for this, only this problem, no factors. Remember this. This also important. Please note down. Like కొట్టి కామెంట్ పెట్టు అదొచ్చి లైవ్ చాట్. So please listen one more time because this is some different model. Given equations L plus M plus N 0, 2Mn plus 3NL minus 5LM 0. The two lines connected by these two relations. Let L1 M1 N1, L2 M2 N2 are direction cosines of the two lines. Now from 1, L is equal to minus of M plus N. This one we substituted into okay. This one simplifying for this no factors. Please observe for this no factors. So dividing with n square. This is the quadratic equation m by n. We have two roots. m by n కాబట్టి m1 by n1, m2 by n2 అట్లా తీసుకోవాలి. ఇది l by n లో quadratic equation, l1 by n1, l2 by n2, there are two roots. Now product of the root c by a minus 3 by 5. So m1 m2 by minus 3 is equal to n1 n2 by 5. Similarly, from 1, we take now m minus of l plus n. Substitute this value in equation 2. Multiply all. For this also no factors. L1 by n, this is also quadratic equation L by n. So we have two roots, L1 by n1, L2 by n2 are the two roots of the equation, this one. So product of the roots minus c by a minus 2 by 5, c by a minus 2 by 5. Product of the root c by a. So L1 L2 by minus 2 is equal to n1 n2 by 5. In both a and b, n1 n2 by 5. So equating all the three, we take k, say k. L1 L2 is equal to minus 2k, m1 m2 is equal to minus 3k, n1 n2 is equal to 5k. Now L1 L2 plus m1 m2 plus n1 n2, I add all the three, 0. That means perpendicular. We know the condition. L1 by L2 is equal to m1 by m2 is equal to n1 by n2. Proportional, it implies parallel. If sum of the product, that means dot product 0 means perpendicular. Perpendicular means angle is 90 degrees. Now we take next another problem, sixth problem. This is also different problem, very, very important. Sixth one, most important problem. Most important. If a ray makes angles alpha, beta, gamma, and delta with 4 diagonals of a cube, then show that cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus cos square delta 4 by 3. Very, very important. First we draw the cube. For the cube 4 diagonals, we take this box. Suppose we take the cube, otherwise from this up to that down, that is one diagonal, this down to that up another diagonal, that up to this down another diagonal, this up to that down another 4 diagonals. With 4 diagonals, one line makes angles alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Then we must prove that this is objective point of also. This is very, very important. Remember, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus cos square delta 4 by 3. We take the diagram first. Cube. This is origin, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, A, B, C. D, E, F, G. Please observe here. OG one diagonal, up, down. AB another diagonal, C another diagonal, and BD other diagonal. Let O, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, B, A. Cube of each side of length A units. A units. Each side, cube means all sides lengths equal. Therefore, O origin, A on x-axis, A comma 0, 0. This length is A. A, every length A. A. Next, B on y-axis, 0, A, 0. C on z-axis, 0, 0, A. Next, D in XZ plane, D in XZ plane, A, 0, A. E in XY plane, A, 0. F is in YZ plane, 0, A. Then where is G? G in the space. G is in the space, all three A's. Let L be a ray, makes angles alpha, beta, gamma, delta with 4 diagonals. What are the diagonals? OG, AF, BD, CE. This is the OG, AF, BD, CE. These are the 4 diagonals. Let L, M, N be direction cosines of ray. Ray means line L. Now, direction ratios of OG is equal to OG bar. OG bar means A. Next, direction ratios of AF is equal to AF bar. F point, F minus A. We get F minus A means first one minus A. Next, direction ratios of BD is equal to BD bar. That means, this meaning OF minus OA vector notation. No need to write. If you write, same this problem in maths 1A, in vectors also there. There also we can write this. So for the both, this enough. BD means middle minus A minus A. Next, CF, direction ratios of CF is equal to CF bar. A minus A. Now, this implies direction cosines of OG. That means that vector by under root of this one square plus this one square plus this one square. A common 1 by root 3A. That means 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. These are the direction cosines of OG. Similarly, direction cosines of AF is equal to first one minus same. ఒకటి చేస్తే చాలు. Next, direction cosines of BD is equal to 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. Next, direction cosines of CF is equal to 1 by root 3 minus 1 by plus 1 by root 3. Last one minus. All plus, first one minus, second one minus, third one minus. These are the direction cosines. Now alpha means angle between OG and L. Therefore, cos alpha formula L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. ఇది ఏది DC's ఇచ్చినప్పుడు. That means L into 1 by root 3 L into 1 by root 3 plus M into 1 by root 3 plus N into 1 by root. That means L plus M plus N by root 3. Similarly, beta is equal to AF L. This implies cos beta is equal to first one minus L plus M plus N by root 3. Similarly, gamma is equal to B d bar line angle. So cos gamma is equal to L minus M plus N by root 3. Similarly, delta is equal to CF L. So cos delta is equal to L plus M minus N by root 3. ఒక్కడ చేయటం వస్తే చాలు అన్ని వస్తాయి అన్నమాట. ఇది ఇప్పుడు now the last part I will write here. See once again up to this part here. O, A, B, C, D, E, F, G be the cube of each side of length A units. So A, O origin 0, 0, 0, A 0, 0, 0, A 0, 0, 0, A. Here D is in XZ plane, A comma 0 comma A. F, E in XY plane, A 0, F in YZ plane 0 A. G is in space, all the three A. Let L be a ray makes angles alpha, beta, gamma, delta with 4 diagonals, and let LMN be the DCs of line L. So direction ratios of OG. OG means OG bar. G point minus O point, that is nothing but G. Similarly, direction ratios AF, direction ratio of BD, direction ratio of CF, then direction cosines. Now angle alpha, we take one angle, angle between line L and OG, line L and OG. We don't know line ఎట్లైనా ఉండొచ్చు, లైన్ L ఇది అనుకోండి, లైన్ L and OG ఇట్లా వెళ్తుంది కదా, అది ఆ యాంగిల్ అట్లా. Similarly, now the last part. Now the last part, here only we take cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus cos square delta. This one square, L plus M plus N by root 3 whole square minus L plus M plus N by root 3 whole square. L minus M plus N by root 3 whole square. L plus M minus N by root 3 whole square. 1 by root 3 whole square means 1 by 3. Now simplify all. L square, A plus B plus C whole square, L square plus M square plus N square. 2LM, 2MN, 2NL. First one completed. Next one, continuation. L square plus M square plus N square minus 2LM plus 2MN minus 2LN. Next, third one. L square plus M square plus N square minus 2LM minus 2MN plus 2LN plus last one. L square plus M square plus N square plus 2LM minus 2MN minus 2NL. Now, square values other than square values remaining, everything is cancelled, positive and negative. This is equal to each one 4 times, 4 by 3, L square plus M square plus N square. This is equal to 4 by 3 into 1, since L, M, N are DCs. DCs means immediately L square plus M square plus N square is 1. So the final answer is 4 by 3. Very, very important problem. Please note down. Phone దీంట్లో నెంబర్ ఉంది, వినయన్ ఉంటుంది దీంట్లో. Same this, with the help of this model, we have one more problem. Up to this one is same. Up to this one, same. That's why. That is also the important question. The question is angle between prove that angle between any two diagonals of a cube is cos inverse 1/3. Angle between any two diagonals of a cube, here same, this part complete. Here A, B, C, D, F, G be a cube of each side of length A units, everything same. This is up to this is same. Let theta be the angle between two diagonal. We take any two diagonals. Out of these four, any two diagonals OG AF. Let theta be the angle between two diagonals OG AF. So cos theta is equal to formula L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. Here this is 1/√3. 1/√3 into minus 1/√3. The first two plus 1/√3 into 1/√3. 1/√3 into 1/√3 plus 1/√3 into 1/√3. These two cancel 1/3. So theta cos inverse 1/3. Similarly, we can show that angle between any two diagonals, either these two or 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 these two, any two diagonals, we can show that angle between any two diagonals is cos inverse 1/3. ఇది ప్రాబ్లం. అంటే ఇదంతా ఈ పాత అంతా రాయాలి. ఏ రెండు డయాగ్నల్స్ మధ్య యాంగిల్ అయినా కనుక్కోవాలి. Here we are taking these two angles. Similarly, we can find that angle between any two diagonals. This is cos inverse 1/3. Please note down. Now we take one more problem, that is the last problem in this, because we will get only 7 marks question. That's why we are discussing 7 marks questions in the DC's years. In objective point of view, based on these formulas, we will discuss every problem. Now, 8th problem. So, ఈ పార్ట్ నేర్చుకుంటే మనకి 2 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ యూజ్ అవుతుంది. These 2 problems in vectors there. So, very useful. So, please learn these 2 compulsory. All that previous 6 problems, 1 model, 5 problems, and these 2 are 1 model. Now, we take one more problem that is given previously. The vertices of a triangle are the vertices of a triangle are A 142, B -212, C 23 -4. Then find angle A, angle B, angle C. That means the internal angle. This is the triangle ABC. A 142, B -212, C 23 -4. Here, what about angle cos A? Suppose we want this formula. Cos of the angle BAC. This is nothing but cos angle A is equal to AB bar dot with AC bar by mod AB bar mod AC bar cos A. If we want cos B, cos of angle B, here we want cos B, BA bar BC bar, BA bar dot with B, BC bar by mod BA bar mod BC bar. Now cos of the angle C, CA bar dot with C. So start with C, CA bar dot CB bar by mod CA bar. If we take one problem, one angle, similarly other. చేయాలి కాకపోతే తెలియజేసుకోవాలి. Now this one. Now AB bar. AB bar is nothing but R direction ratios of AB. Both are same. Now means B point minus A point. Minus 212 minus 142. Minus 2 minus 1. 1 minus 4. 2 minus 2. Next. Direction ratios of AC is equal to AC bar. C point minus A point. This is equal to 2 minus 1, 3 minus 4, minus 4 minus 2. Now, therefore, cos of the angle A, minus 3 into 1, minus 3 into minus 1, 0 into minus 6 by 110. 2, 1 minus 3, direction ratios of CA, AC, by under root of 9 plus 9 plus 0, under root of 1 plus 1 plus 36, minus 3 plus 3, that is 0, by root 18, root 38, 0, implies angle A, this is cos 90 degrees. Angle A, pi by 2, one angle. All the sum of the three angles 180 degrees. Here one angle is pi by 2. Angle A is pi by 2. Now we want angle B. Already BA bar, AB bar, BC bar. Now BC bar, direction ratios of BC. C point minus B point. 2, 3 minus 4 minus B point minus 2, 1, 2. This is equal to 2 plus 2, 4. 3 minus 1, 2. Minus 4 minus 2 minus 6. 2 cancel. 2 comma 1 comma minus 3. In coordinate don't cancel, but in direction ratios and cosines we will cancel, no problem. Now cos angle B is equal to BA bar dot BC bar by mod BA bar mod BC bar. Here AB bar, so BA bar means BA bar means reverse 330 dot BC 2, 1 minus 3 by under root of 9 plus 9 under root of 4 plus 1 plus 9. This is equal to 6 plus 3 minus 0 by root 18 root 14. That is equal to 9 by 3 root 2 into root 14. That is equal to 3 by root of 28. Therefore, B is equal to cos inverse 3 by root 28. Similarly, we can find the angle C. Similarly, we can find angle C. So here angle C is equal to cos inverse. Please try this one. Cos inverse 19 by root 28. Please try this one. Please try this one. What about cos C here? CA bar dot CB bar by CA bar dot CB bar. That means cos C angle C is equal to what about CA bar? AC bar is this one, CA bar minus 116 dot CA bar dot CB bar minus 2 minus 1 3 minus 2 minus 1 3 by under root of 1 plus 1 plus 36 under root of 4 plus 1 plus 9. Simplifying this one, we get these are the important problems in direction ratio, 3-dimensional geometry, direction ratios and cosines. Okay, please subscribe our channel CSR Academy. ఫర్దర్ వీడియోస్ కోసం మీరు బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, అందరికీ షేర్ చేయండి. మన ఛానల్ ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ చేసినట్టయితే మన అందరికీ చాలా యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీరు 1-2 సార్లు కనుక యూట్యూబ్లో చూసుకుంటే మీకు ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతాయి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. హ్యావ్ ఏ నైస్ డే.